Oh, the Novus system. I would love to tell you about that. This system is the best. It's the only one that I use. It's the only one that I trust. I've been using it for well over 15 years now. And it is great for fine scratches, heavy scratches, intermediate, and also cleaning and protecting your Isin, StrataGlass, and other plastic surfaces. So we'd love to show you how this works, and we're going to take it in the back and just really show you the power of this product. Alright, so grabbing a piece of the Isinglass off the reef bobber here, going to restore this for you and show you the true power of Novus. As you can see here in the video, this little square section we got done, and the before and after is amazing. So if you have really heavy scratches, fine marring, or just a little bit of dirty Isinglass you're looking to brighten up, Novus is the polish for you. Hey everyone, Brian with Marine Detail Supply Company here. I've had a lot of requests for a video on how to polish Isinglass and StrataGlass. So today I wanted to give you a quick tutorial on how to use our awesome system, Novus here. So there's a 1, 2, and a 3 for heavy scratches, fine scratches, and just a cleaner and protectant. So today we're going to go ahead and remove some fine scratches off of this Isin and even some heavy ones for you. Using a nice, easy system. We're going to be using the number 2 for scratches. We've already came through with the number 1 and cleaned it and just removed any dirt or debris that we might polish into it. So when you start, you just want to use any sort of DA polisher. Doesn't have to be anything fancy. And then you want to put about 5 to 6, little 7, 8 stripes of polish. And that's really to prime the pad so you're not hitting on a dry surface and the machine's starting to take off on itself. So it's one of those, and then you want to put it straight onto the material itself. And then you're going to kind of massage that in. We're going to be on a low speed setting, just 1. And then we're going to make 2 checkerboards. Up and down, left and right, up and down, left and right. As you can see here, we're going to do a uniform pattern. As you can see there, didn't take much time. Then we grab a microfiber towel. And we're just going to go ahead and remove the excess off from the number 2 polish for like the fine scratches. You want to make sure you're taking any tags off your towel just so you prevent any micro marring or anything. And I like to put it on a nice piece of carpet, or something, maybe a bath towel, something you have laying around the house that will keep it from scratching underneath and give you a good surface to work on. Smear drops in. And then just do our 2 checkerboards. Alright, so there's our second pass done. With the fine scratch remover. Again, we'll just grab a microfiber towel. Like to put it in 4s. Just go ahead and give her some good lovin's on the rub off, and it'll take any excess material out of those pores of the plastic. Really get it shine. So what I love about Novus so much, it's really easy to work with, and it gives you really quick and awesome results. So once you're done with the first panel, the 50-50 we're going to do for you here, I'm just going to go ahead and flip it over so I can do the other side. Get the fine scratch, and then we're just going to put 5 drops on it. Just want to give you a side comparison of 50-50 of what this Novus can do. As you can see here, the top this is before we did any polishing, and the bottom, that's just with a simple 2-step system there. The cleaner and the fine scratch remover. We also went back over with the number 1 and protected it. And it really just, as you can see, just gets you that clarity that you need back, and you can really just enjoy your time on the water. So
If you'd really like to pick this up, just head over to Marine Detail Supply, PortClinton.com and get yourself a kit. Thanks.